पालक, शिक्षक आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी विवेक हिरवडेकर आज आपणासमोर मॅथ्स 2 बोर्ड मार्च 2023 सोडवलेली आदर्श उत्तरपत्रिकेचा पार्ट 2 आपणासमोर सादर करत आहे. पालक, शिक्षक आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, नमस्कार. केअर एज्युकेशनल ट्रिक्स या गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी उपयोगी पडणाऱ्या चॅनलवर आपल्या सर्वांचे मनपूर्वक स्वागत. जे या चॅनलवर नवीन आहेत, ज्यांनी अजूनही आपल्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केले नसेल, तर त्यांनी आत्ताच केअर एज्युकेशन ट्रिक्स या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. तसेच पुढील नवीन व्हिडिओचे प्रथम नोटिफिकेशन मिळवण्यासाठी बेल आयकॉन तसेच लाईक या बटनला क्लिक करा. काही कमेंट्स असतील तर अवश्य कळवा, योग्य मार्गदर्शन केले जाईल. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी आपणास अगोदरचे सर्व व्हिडिओ अभ्यासायचे असतील तर केअर एज्युकेशनल ट्रिक्सच्या लोगोवर क्लिक करा. होम पेज शेजारी असलेल्या व्हिडिओ या ठिकाणी क्लिक करा. आपणास सर्व व्हिडिओचा अभ्यास करता येईल. विषयाप्रमाणे अभ्यास करायचा असेल तर प्लेलिस्टमधील व्हिडिओ अभ्यासा. सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना पैकीच्या पैकी मार्क मिळावेत ही सदिच्छा. 10वी परीक्षा देणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी व्हिडिओची लिंक शेअर करा. क्वेश्चन 2A. Complete the following activities. Any two 4 marks. 1. See figure carefully. Triangle LMN. Angle MLN is equal to 35 degree. In the above figure, angle L is equal to 35 degree. Find 1. EM arc MN. 2. EM arc MLN. Solution 1. Angle L is equal to 1/2 EM arc MN by inscribed angle theorem. Therefore, is equal to 1/2 EM arc MN. Therefore, 2 into 35 is equal to EM arc MN. Therefore, EM arc MN is equal to 2 EM arc MLN is equal to minus EM arc MN. Definition of measure of arc 360 minus 70 degree. Therefore, measure arc MLN is equal to. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, नवीन प्रश्न नवीन पानावर सोडवणे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2A1. See figure carefully. Solution 1. Angle L is equal to 1/2 EM arc MN by inscribed angle theorem. 35 degree is equal to 1/2 EM arc MN. Therefore, 2 into 35 is equal to EM arc MN. Therefore, EM arc MN is equal to 70 degree. 2 into 35 is equal to 70. 2 M arc MLN is equal to 360 degree minus m arc mn. Definition of measure of arc. 360 minus 70 is equal to 290 degree. Therefore, measure arc MLN is equal to 290 degree. Question 2. Show that cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. Solution. LHS is equal to cot theta plus tan theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Plus upon sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta into cos theta, 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. Cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. Solution. LHS is equal to cot theta plus tan theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Cos theta upon sin theta plus sin theta upon cos theta. Cross multiplication. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta upon sin theta into cos theta. One upon sin theta into cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta. 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. Cosec theta into sec theta. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. Question 3. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 7 cm. Solution. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 upon 7 into square. 4 into 22 upon 7 into 7. Therefore, surface area of sphere is equal to square centimeter. The surface area of a sphere of a radius 7 centimeter. Solution. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 upon 7 into 7 square. 7 square is equal to 49. 4 into 22 upon 7 into 49. 7 ones are 7. 7 sevens are 49. 4 into 22, 88. 88 into 7 is equal to 616. Therefore, surface area of sphere is equal to 616 square centimeter. B. Solve the following sub questions. Any 4, 8 marks. 1. See figure carefully. In trapezium ABCD, side AB parallel side PQ, parallel side DC. AP is equal to 15, PD is equal to 12, QC is equal to 14. Find BQ. Question B1. In trapezium ABCD, side AB parallel side PQ, parallel side DC. AP is equal to 15, PD is equal to 12, QC is equal to 14. BQ is equal to question mark. AP upon PD is equal to BQ upon QC. By property of three parallel lines and their transversal, 15 upon 12 is equal to BQ upon QC. 15 upon 12 is equal to BQ upon 14. 15 into 14 upon 12 is equal to BQ. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 5 into 7 is equal to 35, 35 upon 2 is equal to BQ, half of 35 is equal to 17.5, 17.5 is equal to BQ, therefore BQ is equal to 17.5 units. 2. Find the length of the diagonal of a rectangle whose length is 35 cm and breadth is 12 cm. Rectangle ABCD. BD is a diagonal. In rectangle ABCD, length CD is equal to 35 cm, breadth BC is equal to 12 cm. In triangle BCD, angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. Pythagoras theorem. BC square is equal to 12 square. CD square is equal to 35 square. 12 square plus 35 square. 12 square 144. 35 square 1225. 144 plus 1225 is equal to 1369. BD square is equal to 1369. Taking square root, BD is equal to 37 cm. Therefore, the length of diagonal of a rectangle is 37 cm. Question 3. See figure carefully. In the given figure, point G, D, E, F are points of a circle with center C. Angle ECF is equal to 70 degree. Major arc DGF is equal to 200 degree. Find 1. Major arc DE. 2. Major arc DEF. In figure, points GDEF are points of a circle with a center C. Angle ECF is equal to 70 degree. Major arc DGF is equal to 200 degree. One, angle ECF is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, major arc EF is equal to 70 degree. Measure of a minor arc is equal to its corresponding central angle of a minor arc. Major arc DE plus major arc EF plus major arc DGF is equal to 360 degree. Major arc DE plus 70 degree plus 200 degree is equal to 360 degree. Major arc DE plus 270 is equal to 360. 70 plus 200, 270. Major arc DE is equal to 360 minus 270. Therefore, major arc DE is equal to 90 degree. Two, major arc DEF is equal to major arc DE plus major arc EF. 90 degree plus 70 degree is equal to 160 degree. Therefore, major arc DEF is equal to 160 degree. Question 4. Show that points A -1 -1, B 0 1, C 1 3 are collinear. A -1 -1, x1 y1, B 0 1, x2 y2, C 1 3, x3 y3. Slope of line AB is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to 1 minus minus 1 upon 0 minus minus 1 minus minus plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 0 minus minus 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 2 upon 1. Slope of line BC is equal to y3 minus y2 upon x3 minus x2 is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 1 minus 0. 3 minus 1, 2. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 upon 1. Slope of line AB is equal to slope of line BC. But point B lies on both the lines. Therefore, point ABC are collinear. Question 5. A person is standing at a distance of 50 meter from a temple looking at its top. The angle of elevation is of 45 degree. Find the height of the temple. In triangle ABC, let AB is equal to height of temple. Person is standing at C. BC is equal to 50 meter. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle C is equal to 45 degree. Tan 45 is equal to AB upon BC. Opposite side upon adjacent side. Tan 45 is equal to 1. BC is equal to 50. 1 is equal to AB upon 50. Therefore, AB is equal to 50 meter. Therefore, the height of the temple is 50 meter. Question number 3a. Complete the following activities. Any one. 3 marks. 1. See figure carefully. In triangle PQR, segment PM is a median. Angle bisector of angle PMQ and angle PMR intersect side PQ and side PR in points X and Y respectively. Prove that XY parallel to QR. Complete the proof by filling the boxes. Solution. In triangle PMQ, ray MX is the bisector of angle PMQ. MP upon MQ is equal to theorem of angle bisector, equation 1. Similarly, in triangle PMR, ray MY is a bisector of angle PMR. Therefore, MP upon MR is equal to equation 2, theorem of angle bisector. But MP upon MQ is equal to MP upon MR, equation 3. As M is a midpoint of QR, hence MQ is equal to MR. Therefore, PX upon is equal to upon YR from equation 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, XY parallel to QR, converse of basic proportionality theorem. नवीन प्रश्न नवीन पानावर सोडवणे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3A1. Solution. In triangle PMQ, ray MX is the bisector of angle PMQ. Ray MX is the bisector of angle PMQ. Therefore, MP upon MQ is equal to PX upon XQ. 1. Theorem of angle bisector. Similarly, in triangle PMR, ray MY is a bisector of angle PMR. In triangle PMR, ray MY is a bisector of angle PMR. Therefore, MP upon MR is equal to PY upon YR. Theorem of angle bisector. Therefore, MP upon MR is equal to py upon yr. Equation 2. Theorem of angle bisector. But mp upon mq is equal to mp upon mr. Equation 3. As m is a midpoint of qr, hence mq is equal to mr. Therefore, px upon xq is equal to py upon yr. From equation 1, 2 and 3, therefore xy parallel to qr, converse of basic proportionality theorem. Question 2. Find the coordinates of point P where P is the midpoint of a line segment AB with A minus 4 2 and B 6 2. Solution: A minus 4 2 P xy, B 6 2. P is the midpoint of AB. Suppose minus 4 2 is equal to x1 y1 and 6 2 is equal to x2 y2, and coordinates of P are xy. According to midpoint theorem, x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Therefore, coordinates of midpoint P are. Question 3 2. Solution: A minus 4 2 P xy, B 6 2. Suppose minus 4 2 is equal to x1 y1 and 6 2 is equal to x2 y2, and coordinates of P are xy. Therefore, according to midpoint theorem, x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 minus 4 plus 6 upon 2. Minus 4 plus 6 is equal to 2. 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 upon 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, coordinates of midpoint P are 1 2. B. Solve the following sub-questions. Any two. 6 marks. 1. In triangle ABC, segment AP is a median. If BC is equal to 18, AB square plus AC square is equal to 260. Find AP. In triangle ABC, segment AP is a median. BC is equal to 18. AB square plus AC square is equal to 260. PB is equal to 1 upon 2 into BC. PB is equal to 1 upon 2 into 18. PB is equal to 9. By Apollonius theorem, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AP square plus 2PB square. AB square plus AC square is equal to 260. 260 is equal to 2 into AP square plus 2 into 9 square. 260 is equal to 2 into AP square, 2 into 81, 9 square is equal to 81. 260 is equal to 2 AP square plus 162, 2 into 81, 162. 260 minus 162 is equal to 2 AP square. 260 minus 162 is equal to 98. 98 is equal to 2 AP square. AP square is equal to 98 upon 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 49s are 98. Therefore, AP square is equal to 49. Taking square root, AP is equal to 7 unit. Question 2. Prove that angles inscribed in the same arc are congruent. Question 3. B2. Angles inscribed in the same arc are congruent. See figure carefully. Given in a circle with center O, angle PQR is inscribed in arc PR. Angle PSR is inscribed in arc PR. To prove angle PQR congruent angle PSR, prove arc PR is intercepted by angle PQR. Therefore, angle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 arc PR. Equation 1. Arc PR is intersected by angle PSR. Therefore, angle PSR is equal to 1 upon 2 arc PR. Equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, angle PQR is equal to angle PSR. The measure of an inscribed angle is half of the measure of the arc intercepted by it. Therefore, measure angle PQR congruent measure angle PSR. Therefore, angles inscribed in the same arc are congruent. Question 3. Draw a circle of radius 3.3 cm. Draw a chord PQ of length 6.6 cm. Draw tangents to the circle at point P and Q. Radius 3.3 cm. Chord PQ 6.6 cm. See figure carefully. OP perpendicular line AB, OQ perpendicular line CD, AB and CD tangent of a circle. OP radius 3.3 cm, PQ diameter of a circle 6.6 cm. Question 4. The radii of circular ends of a frustum are 14 cm and 6 cm respectively, and its height is 6 cm. Find the curved surface area. Pi is equal to 3.14. See figure carefully. R1 radius is equal to 14 centimeter. R2 radius 6 centimeter. Height 6 centimeter. Curved surface area is equal to question mark. Slant height of frustum is equal to L is equal to under root h square plus r1 minus r2 bracket complete square. Put value under root 6 square plus 14 minus 6 square. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. 6 square is equal to 36. Under root 36 plus 8 square. Therefore, slant height L is equal to under root 36 plus 64. 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. Under root 100 is equal to 10. Therefore, L is equal to 10 centimeter. Curved surface area is equal to pi L in bracket R1 plus R2 pi 3.14 L 10 R1 14 R2 6 3.14 into 10 into 14 plus 6. 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. 3.14 into 10 into 20. 10 into 20 is equal to 200. 3.14 into 200 is equal to 628.00. Therefore, curved surface area 628 square centimeter. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मॅथ्स 2 बोर्ड मार्च 2023 सोडवलेल्या आदर्श उत्तरपत्रिकेचा पुढील भाग अभ्यासासाठी पार्ट 3 चा व्हिडिओ पहा. गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी आपण संपूर्ण व्हिडिओ पाहिल्याबद्दल आपले मनापासून